sort of at a point where we want to give back. The industry's been good to us, the profession's been very good to us, and we're involved in missions all around the world. We give copious amounts of materials to help children, have longer lives even. You can look at it that way. We love being involved with these groups that go out into the most difficult circumstances. And I would encourage, many of the newer dental schools in the United States, it's actually part of the curriculum now. And I think that's a very important aspect of learning, it helps you realize it's not just about private practice and making money, but it's also about giving back to the community. And so the dentist can be seen as part of the community, not just a place to go